Welcome everyone. Today we'll be creating a Breakthrough Central Texas Amplify fundraising page. So let's go ahead and click on this fundraise button.
I'm going to put my name, that's my email. I'm going to create another password. I'm going to submit.
Awesome, you just created your own Amplify Breakthrough page. And then you can see the recent donors on this side. We have a video, and you can see that we already have some stuff here about Breakthrough and our cause. So on here is where you will be able to customize, but you can't do it through here, unfortunately. So we would have to go through Manage Profile. Before I go here, I want to share out that this link right here is what you'll be sharing out to your friends and family, or sharing on social, which you can also do through this over here. You could connect to your social media. So we're gonna go ahead and click Manage Profile.
And it'll take us here. And I'm gonna go ahead and log in.
So you should be logged in to your fundraising dashboard, where you can see that to the right there's a progress bar, and then to the left there's also several different options. But the one we're going to focus on today is a tell your story. So on the left side you should see that there is a upload your image. You can upload anything you'd like on here of yourself, your team, and then on the right you should see the goal. The norm is 500. You can raise it or lower it, hopefully raise it. I'm gonna keep mine at here for now, but what I am gonna update is my story, which I already have written. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it on here. And now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down, and I'm gonna save these changes. And now whenever I go to my Breakthrough alum fundraising page, I should see that my breakthrough story is on there, which is awesome. So that's how yours should look like as well once you're done. Once again, thank you so much for watching, y'all. And if you have any questions, please reply to the email and reach out to us. We appreciate you. Thank you.